Our customers often ask us how we can fit a boiler without carrying out a full survey at their homes. Most companies send round a salesperson with little technical knowledge. By answering a few simple questions online and sending us some photos, we can get the same or better information. Our award-winning technology platform was designed by a team of experienced heating engineers and software developers. Over the years, we've fitted hundreds of thousands of boilers. The Boxed website guides you through the decisions like what kind of boiler you need, where to put it, and how the flue will be positioned outside your property. If you need advice, we have a team of friendly technical advisors and customer service agents 7 days a week, available on the phone or on live chat. Once you've ordered and sent us your photos, these are rigorously checked over with your answers by our experienced technicians. We review hundreds of orders every day and can spot any issues before the installation happens. If we need more information, we'll get in touch, but in 90% of installations, this isn't needed. When the order is approved, we'll assign the job to one of our Gas-Safe registered installers. After your boiler has been installed, your installer will take photos of the completed job, which are sent through to our technicians who check everything has been done to a high standard, meaning 100% of our jobs are audited. If we notice something hasn't been fitted in line with Boxed and the manufacturer's standards, we'll send an installer straight back to fix it. Our team of software designers and developers are constantly improving the technology platform and adding new features that will be made available to our customers. So how do we do it? It's a mixture of experienced engineers and operations staff, a network of great installers and a dedicated software team, providing you with great products and services at an affordable and fair price.